In a world that constantly buzzes with the pursuit of optimal health and well-being, the spotlight is turning towards a vibrant and creative avenue, the realm of vitamins. Welcome to Radiant Resilience, where we embark on a refreshing journey to elevate our vitality through a unique and innovative approach to wellness. Unleashing your inner glow. At the core of our exploration is the concept of unleashing your inner glow. It's not just about meeting daily nutritional requirements, but embracing a holistic lifestyle that resonates with vitality. Vitamins play a pivotal role in this narrative, acting as the catalysts that fuel our physical and mental well-being. The Vitamin-Verve lifestyle. Let's delve into the Vitamin-Verve lifestyle, a dynamic and trendy way to incorporate essential vitamins into our daily routines. From morning rituals to bedtime habits, discover how simple, creative tweaks can amplify the benefits of these micronutrients. We'll explore delicious and nutritious recipes, trendy supplement choices, and holistic practices that enhance the overall experience of wellness. The A to Z of vitamins. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a closer look at the alphabet of vitamins: A, B, C, D, and beyond. Each vitamin brings its own unique benefits to the table, and we'll uncover the secrets behind harnessing their full potential. From glowing skin to boosted immunity, understand how these micronutrients contribute to the Radiant Resilience lifestyle. Beyond the pill, creative vitamin solutions. Let's break free from the traditional pill-popping mentality and explore creative solutions for vitamin intake. From vitamin-infused water recipes to DIY skincare concoctions, we'll venture into the world of imaginative and enjoyable ways to meet your daily nutritional needs. Mindful wellness, the intersection of mental and physical health. Radiant Resilience isn't just about physical health. It's a holistic approach that encompasses mental well-being as well. Explore mindfulness practices, meditation techniques, and the connection between vitamins and mental clarity. Learn how a balanced mind contributes to a vibrant and resilient lifestyle. As we wrap up our journey through the world of Radiant Resilience, it's clear that optimal wellness goes beyond the mundane. By infusing creativity into our daily routines, embracing a Vitamin-Verve lifestyle, and acknowledging the interconnectedness of mental and physical health, we pave the way for a truly vibrant and fulfilling life. Join us on this exciting adventure towards unlocking your inner glow and elevating your vitality with the power of vitamins. Alchemical blend of science, creativity, and nature in your wellness journey. In the quest for comprehensive wellness, we find ourselves at the crossroads of science, creativity, and nature. A unique intersection where the alchemy of these elements creates a transformative synergy. This alchemical blend forms the essence of a holistic approach to well-being, enriching our lives in profound ways. Science. Unlocking the secrets of cellular harmony. At the heart of our journey is the scientific exploration of vitamins and their intricate roles in cellular processes. Understanding the biochemistry of nutrients allows us to make informed choices about our diet, ensuring that our bodies receive the essential building blocks required for optimal function. Science acts as our guide, illuminating the path to physical health, mental clarity, and overall vitality. Creativity, crafting wellness as an art form. Creativity is the brushstroke that adds vibrancy to our wellness canvas. It's the force that inspires us to infuse vitamins into our daily routines in imaginative and enjoyable ways. Whether through culinary explorations, artistic expressions, or inventive fitness routines, creativity transforms wellness into a personalized art form. It encourages us to think beyond conventional boundaries, fostering a sense of joy and fulfillment in our pursuit of well-being. Nature, harmonizing with the rhythms of life. Nature serves as the grounding force in our alchemical journey. As we align our wellness practices with the changing seasons, we tap into the inherent wisdom of the natural world. From seasonal foods to outdoor activities, nature provides a blueprint for harmonious living. The connection with the environment not only nurtures our physical health, but also cultivates a deep sense of mindfulness and balance. The alchemical blend, a transformative symphony. In the amalgamation of science, creativity, and nature, a transformative symphony emerges. Picture a canvas where scientific knowledge paints the foundation, creativity adds the colors, and nature sets the backdrop. This alchemical blend is not a one-size-fits-all formula but a dynamic and evolving process that adapts to the unique needs of each individual. As we embrace this alchemical blend, we find that wellness transcends the mere absence of illness. It becomes a journey of self-discovery, a continuous process of refining and elevating our physical, mental, and emotional states. The alchemy lies in the intentional fusion of these elements, creating a comprehensive approach that resonates with the complexities of human existence. Practical applications: infusing daily life with alchemy. Incorporate scientifically backed nutritional choices into your diet, ensuring a diverse and well-balanced intake of vitamins. Infuse creativity into your wellness routine through activities like cooking, art, or movement, making the journey enjoyable and sustainable. Harmonize with nature by adapting your lifestyle to the changing seasons. Whether it's outdoor exercises in the summer or cozy, nourishing meals in the winter, it is through this harmonious blend that we unlock the secrets of holistic well-being, transforming our lives into a masterpiece of health and vitality.